Excellencies, 1 month ago, we turned the calendar on a new year. But just days ago, another clock turned, the so-called Doomsday Clock. That symbolic clock was created 76 years ago by atomic scientists, including Albert Einstein. Year after year, experts have measured humanity's proximity to midnight. In other words, to self-destruction. In 2023, they surveyed the state of the world with the Russian invasion of Ukraine, the runaway climate catastrophe, rising nuclear threats that are undermining global norms and institutions. And they came to a clear conclusion. The Doomsday Clock is now 90 seconds to midnight, which means 19 seconds to total global catastrophe. Now, this is the closest the clock has ever stood to humanity's darkest hour, and closer than even during the height of the Cold War. In truth, the Doomsday Clock is a global alarm clock. We need to wake up and get to work.